Good morning. This is Miss Sumati Sahu in front of you with a new video. See, today I am not. Today means this time I am not going to tell you anything related education or anything. It is just a casual talk. This time I am making a blouse. I am stitching its buttonhole. So I thought let's talk something with you. So my dear viewers, if people are watching my videos, I know this. I don't know you people are getting any profit or not. If you are getting profit, then it's a great achievement for me, isn't it? See, what are you thinking? Today, why I am speaking this much English? See, it is my habit. Whenever I am sitting somewhere or doing any work, I just start speaking. Whatever I want to tell, I tell it in English. In one time, I am doing two works. See, if people are getting surprised, I work as a tailor. Yes, I work as a tailor. Tailoring, it is my source of income. Okay, are you watching? It is a blouse, and I am stitching huge amount of blouse, dresses, all ladies garment items. Okay, I love to do this work. Even I love to teach. Earlier, actually, I was teaching, but in 2018, my sister, my youngest sister, she expired um, after a long span of sickness. She was young, very young. So my neighbors and all the students and their parents thought because she was young and she expired. So people thought that she will become Diana Putni or whatever. That's why people not came to our house, and totally my tuition closed. That's why again I have started my teaching. My sister left this world. We both were teaching students. We had a coaching, but after her expired, I thought to start run the coaching again, but people not came. Now this is 2024. People have very few fear about my dead sister. She is in heaven now, and I think they are understanding. So they are telling me, Didi, again you run your tuition. Our kids will go. Students are also requesting me. So I am thinking, okay, I will try. I have to get some time and give tuition classes. I am thinking, see, I love to teach, even I love to teach. Do you know, after my class 10th, when I have joined class 11th, from that time, I have started teaching. When I was in class 11, I was teaching the students of class 1 to class 8 at that time. And from there, I have been earning till this time. Okay. See, then I have learned tailoring. I have taken training, and later I have started stitching clothes also. So I have never wasted a single moment of my life idly. I like to do work. I know how all household works. I can stitch, I can knit. Knitting is, do you know? Knitting a sweater, mufflers, everything. I can knit. You can say I am a perfect human being. But there I have a lot of minus point inside me also. It's okay, I am a human being. There will be, if there have some negativities inside me, there have some positivities also. Isn't it? Everyone should be like this. I love to teach English. It is my favorite subject for this time, but earlier it was not favorite. I was hating English. I was fearing even. But one day my father told, don't fear. It is just a language. If you will fear, it will never come to you, and you will never able to learn it. You start loving this language. If you will start love this language, the language will also love you back. Then I have started loving this language, and now see how much English I am speaking. People sometimes think by this get up I am speaking this much English. They just get surprised. Oh, see her face, and she is speaking English. So what? I have a mind, I have a tongue, and I have a wish. So if you want, you also can speak. Are you getting me? I don't know you are getting or not. Are you surprising how much easily I am speaking English? See, if you will try, you will also able to speak. It is true, I am not telling anything lie. Try once. You will also one day able to speak this much English. And if you are a person who is speaking English fluently, do you know you will get a lot of chances in your career? Yes, of course. If you are a housewife, you will be able to teach English to your kids. You will help them to understand this word in English, isn't it? Yes, this is true. Try once. Speak English with your kids, because mothers are the first teacher of their kids, isn't it? So you learn how to speak English and teach your kids. When they are playing, when they are eating, when they are taking bath, you speak in English. They will understand this word in English. Are you getting me? Oh God, how much English I have spoken. Are you getting any mistake in my tense? See, I am telling you one important thing. If you are not perfect in tense, you will not able to speak correct English. So when you are learning, just make yourself perfect your tense. Okay, in your tense you make yourself perfect. Okay, then you have to learn some grammar also. If you will do lot of mistake, people will laugh at you, isn't it? But don't bother. If you are a beginner, if anyone laughing, it's a real problem. Don't bother. Yes, I am telling you one thing. Later I will tell you how to give speeches on the stage. It will boost your career. Are you getting me? Do you know I love to speak English? It was my childhood dream that always I wanted to speak English. But earlier I was not speaking this much English. Nowadays when people listen to me, they think, oh God, how much English she is speaking. See, do you know life is unpredictable. You don't know when what will happen in your life. So whatever happening in your life, just accept it and be happy in every situation. Are you getting me? uh, okay, in next video I will tell you lot of things. Maybe my words are uh, fantastic or not, I don't know.